हेलो गाइस। सो वेलकम यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि आपको पता है, हम हमारी एक मेन फ्रेम की सीरीज चल रही है। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि हम मेन फ्रेम में जब किसी भी पीएस फाइल और पीडीएस फाइल के लिए नेमिंग कन्वेंशन करते हैं, कि जो भी नेम देते हैं उसके कुछ कन्वेंशनल रूल है। नेमिंग कन्वेंशनल रूल बोला जाता है उसको। तो आज वो रूल्स देखेंगे। यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस रूल टू गिव द नेमिंग टू योर पीएस और पीडीएफ फाइल. If you don't follow it, it will give you an error that invalid name. So if you don't want to get that error, you should be familiar with these rules of the dataset name, जो कि आज हम बारी बारी में देखेंगे। तो the first rule is the length of dataset name can be maximum of 44 characters. So total characters including dots, total characters including dots should not be exceeded beyond 44 characters. So आपका जो नेमिंग नेम होगा डेटा सेट पीएस और पीएस फाइल का, इट शुड नॉट बी बियॉन्ड 44 कैरेक्टर्स. ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट रूल इज कि what are the characters can have in a dataset name. So it can be alphabets from A to Z, or it can be digits, and beyond these you can have some national characters like hash, as, at the rate, and dollar sign. You can't have anything apart from these three. You can't use asterisk, you can't use percentage sign in dataset name. If you give it, it will throw an error. So this rule you must know. It should contain some it can contain some national characters like hash, as, at the rate, or dollar, or it can have some alphabets from A to Z, or it can have some digits from 0 to 9. Anything apart from it will give an error. So the next rule is first character of each qualifier must be alphabet or national character. So the first character of each qualifier is nothing but uh, it qualifiers can contain only 8 characters, and qualifier is differentiate with the help of dots. Like I'll tell you, if I give a b c d dot, so this is how our dataset naming is. So the first qualifier is called as high level qualifier, and it must be your mainframe id. It is a good industrial practice. And this is a second qualifier, this is third qualifier, and this is fourth qualifier. So your first letter of your qualifier, it must be the alphabet or national character. It cannot be a digit. Remember this point. The first letter of your qualifier can't be a digit. It must be either alphabets or national character only. And the first qualifier must be your mainframe ID. And the this qualifier length must not exceed the eighth character. And the last and most important rule is the last character must not be dot. You can't give the dot at the last. So I think we are done with the naming convention, and I hope you got to know the rules of naming convention. And if you find this video really important, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, so that you will get an update on daily basis. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.